Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. 91, Mike, Bradley Fighting Vehicle System Maintainer. If it has armor, tracks, firepower, and an attitude problem, it's probably a Bradley, and it's your job to fix it. From the M2 and M3 to the linebacker and fire support variants, this MOS keeps the Guard's frontline vehicles in the fight. You'll be diagnosing weapon systems, replacing engine packs, welding panels, and troubleshooting fire control and suppression systems that don't come with a reset button. Training is 12 and a half weeks at Fort Moore, or it's Benning, I don't know. Anyway, you'll be turning wrenches, pulling power packs, and probably wondering how every bolt got torqued to 300 foot-pounds. If you're the type who can bring a Bradley back to life with a socket set and stubbornness, this is your lane. You'll work shoulder to shoulder with mechanics, gunners, and armor crews, because when that track's down, nobody's moving forward. It's loud, it's greasy, and it doesn't care if it's raining, but when the Bradley fires up and rolls out clean, that's your signature on the steel. And on the civilian side, heavy equipment, diesel tech, defense contracting, anyone who runs big machines wants a 91 Mike. You don't just fix armored vehicles, you keep war machines alive. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.